Let's try this again.
I'm standing back here panning the area behind this. All of a sudden you hear trucks.
I gotta get a good view behind the ramp here. Straight, head on. We got we got Jake recording the back. Yes.
I'm recording.
Or the front.
Here's the line.
Here it is. He's got it. Look at this thing just coming in with speed. Woo! Holy shit!
Barrel roll.
And he sticks the landing.
My turn.
Oh, we got some lag.
Get out of the truck.
We gotta position this truck a little bit better now. That's working pretty slick.
I'll try this from first person. This is gonna be bad.
Go ahead.
This is gonna be great. Let's pan out. Let me know when you get that pickup set straight again. Ooh. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Hey, there's a ramp going to the other side too, guys. You ready? Did you really set it right up again?
It's hard to move, actually.
That looks funny with you wound up at the end.
Oh boy, here we go, boys. This is gonna be great. We ready?
I'm just gonna back up this. God, it's such an awkward spot.
What the hell kind of ramp is that?
Alright.
Jake wrecked it, he put the truck back.
God damn it. Of course Jake breaks it.
Hold on, I'll fix it. Look back. Let's look her over again.
Whatever, we're gonna have to go find ourselves a new.
You're stuck on the trigger. Hold on, I got a perfect idea. I just gotta get a run at it. Don't move the ATI. I got it.
I can only imagine what's gonna happen. He's going all the way to the paved road. Come on, baby! Good thing we don't have the damage mod. Impact! Oh my god! Well, I think we're done. Yeah. Are we off?
Yeah. Mike, you gotta push on this one towards me. Other side.
Someone needs to push in the back.
Oh, tree. Oh, I wonder what happens here.
I think game's over. We're stuck.
No, it ain't.
Where's the telehandler?
We don't have it. You gotta push them from this side, like, get them out of the trigger. Like, push between my nose and the pickup. Just hit us like a beam.
T-bone me. T-bone! T-bone the ass end of this thing.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh, perfect. I know. Can't. Now push the.
Yes! Now someone has to hit my nose.
No, hit your head. Oh, I'm getting stuck again.
Hit his front engine.
Maybe you gotta go front and back. Oh! We're getting it. Oh my god.
And then we're stuck on it.
Well, this should make for a good practice.
I'm stuck.
Even with the thing. You have all your good blocks on?
Yep. I'm hung up on the blocks.
This fucking thing's gonna claim all three of us.
Oh crap.
Yes! Yes! Come on, Jake!
I can't make this. Probably need Joe. Oh, hold on. Yo, don't do it. Wonder what happens when I hit you at 90.
I got height, I got height, I got height.
Yeah, I'm talking the front end back.
Oh, this is gonna be great.
Hit me hard!
Oh, I will. Don't worry about it. Going off the road. I'll be back.
There he goes! How did I know this was gonna happen?
You're the one that wanted to get out and test the pickup.
You know what's gonna happen when Jake drives a fucking truck off map. Come on, come on! Yes! We're free, kind of. Woo! Look out, Jake. Don't get stuck.
Legit.
Shit.
God damn it.
My thumb hit the scale and hit me.
Well, see you, Jake.
I'm sure Semstone didn't know that this was gonna be. Yeah, that's great.
Well,
Joe,
you're out of
use my
there.
butt end as a frame. Hold on, Mike, spin me. Let's try using this as a frame. Oh crap. Oh, there you go, Joe.
Yes. All right, don't move. We got the perfect. Okay, guys, hop in. We're gonna Evel Knievel this shit.
We gotta line it up better, otherwise you're gonna shoot right off the map.
Suck.
We're gonna jump the building.
Mike in here?
Yep.
Okay. Oh god, this is gonna be bad.
All right, Jake's got the in-cab view. I got the outdoor.
This has got bad news written all over it.
Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Oh god.
Ah, leg. We need to back the truck up because there's like a... All right.